Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Microsoft Copilot has become an essential tool for boosting productivity, whether you are a student, professional, or a creative. While the term Copilot can refer to a few different products, this guide focuses on Microsoft Copilot, the general purpose AI assistant available to everyone. Here's a full tutorial on how to get the most out of Microsoft Copilot, including its features, usage, and even the pro tips at the end. So, we shall start with accessing Microsoft Copilot. You can use Microsoft Copilot in several ways. First, web. Go to the copilot.microsoft.com here in your web browser. This is a great starting point as it provides a clean, chat-based interface. We also have Edge browser here. Copilot is integrated into the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Click the Copilot icon in the top right to access it in any web page. We also have Windows and Mac OS. Download the standalone Copilot app for your desktop. This gives you dedicated experience with a united interface across your devices. Also, we have mobile. The Copilot app is available on both Android and iOS, allowing you to use it on the go. Now, secondly, is understanding the core features. Microsoft Copilot is more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile assistant with several key capabilities. First, we have web-grounded answers here. Unlike older AI models, Copilot uses Bing Search to provide real-time, up-to-date information. Its responses often include citations and links to its sources, which is crucial for verifying facts. Also, we have creative content generation as another key feature. It can generate various types of content from social media posts and emails to poems and blog drafts. You can use it to brainstorm ideas and outlines for projects. Also, we have image creations. Copilot includes a DALL-E image generator. You can describe the image you want in natural language and it will create it for you. Also, we have voice and multimodality. You can talk to Copilot using your voice, making the interaction feel more natural. It can also analyze images you provide. Now let's get to the third thing, mastering the art of prompting. The key to getting high quality responses from any AI is effective prompting. A good prompt has four key elements, that is goal, context, data source, and expectation. First, we have goal. What do you want to achieve? E.g., draft a professional email. Context. Why are you doing this and for whom? E.g., I need to decline a meeting invitation from a client named John. Also, data source. What information should it use? E.g., the meeting is for Tuesday at 3 p.m. and I'm unavailable. Expectation as well. How should it respond? E.g., keep the tone professional and polite. Make sure to suggest an alternative time for next week. Now, by combining these elements, a simple prompt like draft an email becomes draft a professional and polite email to John, declining his meeting invitation for Tuesday at 3 p.m. Suggest an alternative time next week. That's a nice prompt, as you can see. Now, let's get to the pro tips for getting more out of Copilot. First, use the Try GPT-5 feature. As of late 2025, today, Copilot is in the process of transitioning to OpenAI's latest GPT model. You can access it by clicking the Try GPT-5 button at the top of the chat window for more accurate and complex responses. Also, switch conversation styles. Copilot offers three conversational styles: balanced, creative, and precise. Let's start with creative. This is best for brainstorming and generating original content. Also, precise is ideal for research, fact-checking, and technical questions where accuracy is critical. For balanced, it's the default, providing a good mix of creativity and accuracy. Also, another key thing is to iterate and refine. If the initial response isn't what you need, don't start over. Use follow-up prompts to refine the output. For example, can you make it concise or change the tone to be more formal? Also, use Copilot for business and productivity. With M365 Copilot, if you have an enterprise license for Microsoft 365, you can use Microsoft 365 Copilot, that is a separate product, to summarize emails, to draft documents, and to even analyze data, where you can ask Copilot in Excel to find trends in this data or create a chart showing monthly sales. Now also leverage on device actions, that is mobile. The mobile app can perform actions directly on your phone. You can tell it to send a text to a contact name or set a timer for 10 minutes. Now also remember to customize your experience as well. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.